All right, start at the wall. Y'all look this, check this out. This is the update of the Cbr900rr. Gone. Yes, sir. Look how dirty I am, man. Look at how dirty I am. Gone. Why is it gone? Look at that ramp. You know what that means. It's out of the barn, man. Let's go take a look at it, y'all. Finished. And wabam. Yes, sir. Extended 3 inches. Everything's polished. There's still, you probably can see it if I get close on the rims, my fingerprints of grease when I put the rims on. I had put grease the shaft that went into the center of it. The back's the same way. Got grease on the rim. And there's grease right here still. I hadn't cleaned it up. Just got it together though, man. That's it, guys. I have been wanting one of these things for so long. I had to make it. You can't find them like this or around my area. Look at the damn. Bought the kit and one missing damn bolt. I had to put the old blue one back in, but I'll get that. But that's it, man. Look at that. 1996 Cbr900rr. Was it Erion or Arian edition? That's what I wanted. I freehanded all the graphics, man. The guy online Tapeworks wanted 365 plus 15 shipping. So I just did it myself freehand. Got as close as I could. It ain't perfect by no means, but that's it. Got it together. Well, got to have a neutral for all that happens. Goes. Got a little squeak back here. Something's loose. Alright, there we go. That's her, man. Need to update the not update, but get the carbs probably just that out a little bit. That's her, yeah. All right, man, that's the update. Final of it. Final update. I'm done with it. I'm gonna take some Mother's Mag aluminum polish, clean it up, and I am done. No more work. Ride now. You can see the flame where I got it. See, it's way off from the factory, but I tried to follow it with my thing. But yeah, man, that's it, y'all. Remember, man, if I can do this kind of stuff, y'all can too. Just get in your backyard. Brand new tires, brand new chain. All right, that's it, man. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close this one out. Next up will be the Honda VTX 1300, and we'll start on that, and then I'll start on my other 95 Cbr900. But there you go, guys. All right, peace.